Hi guys, I have a really interesting looking Echeveria here. I was drawn to this plant because of its color. I like its grayish mauve pink shades right here. I think it's very pretty. This plant is called Taciveria Tasha. This is a hybrid Echeveria. It's a hybrid between an Echeveria and another plant. I think it's a graptopetalum. Like with all Echeverias, it needs a well-draining soil, so here we're using bonsai jack potting mix. This plant needs a lot of sun and can tolerate full sun outdoors. As I mentioned, it has grayish mauve pink shades and is very pretty. In this shade, it will be less intense in color and will appear more greenish gray. It produces star-shaped pink flowers. Here you can see two baby plants growing under, which is really cool. So I'm repotting it right now, removing as much of the old soil as I can. This soil feels very moist or wet. I think they just watered this at the store. My husband purchased this from, is it Home Depot or Lowe's? I think it's Home Depot. So when I get a new plant and it feels wet like this, I'll wait a few days or maybe even a week before I water it. Here you can see that it has 3 bloom stalks trying to bloom. I cannot find that much information or pictures of this plant. Maybe it's a new hybrid, I'm not really sure. But I think it's very pretty and I like its unique colors. As I said, I'm using Bonsai Jack's succulent potting mix here. I've noticed that my plants need more water when I use this potting mix. They dry out really fast, so I've been watering my plants more often when using this potting mix. This plant needs a lot of sun and can handle full sun. It turns a grayish brown in color when placed in the shade. Water only when the soil feels dry. So I'm done repotting here. If you notice, there's a baby plant trying to come out right there, which is really cool. So I'll update you guys on how this plant is doing in about a week or so. Hi guys, it's been 6 weeks later and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on how this plant is doing. It's been inside my house due to construction going on outside, so it hasn't been getting enough sunlight, even though I moved it near the window. By the way, there's another new baby plant that's growing right here under it. And these are the other 2 baby plants that were here before, and they're getting bigger. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of lost its pinkish mauve color and has turned a pale green in color. One bloom stalk did not fully bloom and had dried out. These other two haven't completely bloomed yet. So I cannot wait to see how the flowers would look, and I cannot wait to get this plant outside so that it can get more sun and can bring out its pinkish colors again. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. I have a playlist of related topics you can check out down below. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate all your support. Have a great day and happy gardening!